dirty. You don't want to think clean. That's something that I in martial arts learned a lot, to like not punch the balls, not, you know, do anything that is unfair play. But when you're fighting, when you have somebody who's trying to attack you, really think dirty. The areas that you want to target is so no matter what the attacker is going to try to do, think dirty. You don't want to think clean. That's something that I in martial arts learned a lot, to like not punch the balls, not, you know, do anything that is unfair play. But when you're fighting, when you have somebody who's trying to attack you, really think dirty. The areas that you want to target is have the hand like this and just go here with like all of your force. And when I say all of your force, don't do this, but use your hips. All of your force from your hips, okay? Think about the eyes, like really push into the eyes. Also this with force. Somebody is trying to attack you, you cannot be hesitant. That's like number one rule. Somebody's trying to hurt you, you have to hurt them first. This is not like fair game, or this is not like being cautious or anything. So really think, this person's trying to hurt you, you have the right to defend yourself. Other moves that you can do is have your hand open and really aim at the balls. For example, the person is like behind you and is grabbing you, and then the other thing, headbutt, 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 headbutt. It will hurt you, but it will hurt the other person more. And do it hard. Whatever you do, do it hard. Do it without being hesitant. Do it without any carefulness or anything. It might be a situation of life or death, okay? The back of your fist. You can use the back of your fist, punching the other person when the person is behind you like this. So just think dirty.
Hi everyone. So these were my last videos on self-defense. I love doing self-defense classes. I love martial arts. I love doing it, and I also loved making these videos. However, there's already so many amazing instructors out there that I will link them in the description, and I hope that you will watch them, and I hope that you will follow them, and I hope that you will learn a lot. These are people who are in the right setting, they're in the gym, and they have a partner whom they're training it with who also knows what to do. And I think these people are just maybe a little bit more skilled than me teaching those things with somebody who is not within the self-defense realm and getting the movements right and everything. And what is really important, and I really want to stress that, is that watching a self-defense video is not the same as doing self-defense classes. So I think it's amazing when you're watching self-defense videos. However, there is nothing that is more important than actually doing the things that you're learning. Practice, practice, practice. If you are, God forbid, I hope this will never happen, but if you are ever in the situation that you have to defend yourself, you need to have the motor skills to know what to do, and it needs to come instinctively. It needs to be like second nature. So I hope that you will, with you know, the few videos on self-defense that I've done, I hope that you will feel encouraged and empowered to take up self-defense classes and train self-defense with your friends and maybe with your partner, and really learn the skills in movement and not just in watching. And oh yeah, this is what I will be doing. Because if you are ever in a situation where you have to rely on those skills, and you'll have to think, you're already lost. You cannot think about what to do. It has to be second nature. So having said that, I loved making these videos, and I will, for my channel, focus on mental skills. I will focus on a growth mindset. I will focus on the strong mind for women, because these are topics that I'm really, really passionate about and that I can do all by myself, teaching them, talking about them. And I hope that you will continue following me for those videos that are more on like the mental skills, and also talk about different psychological topics. And I hope that you're going to check out the description, because in the description I will be sharing with you some really, really, really amazing self-defense teachers like Joanna So, Janice Hung, and the Gracies. So check them out, watch them, follow them, and have a look on where your closest self-defense class is. And know that you have the right to defend yourself. You can learn the skills to defend yourself, and do it. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. So having said that, I love making these videos. I hope I will see you on my channel in the future, and I hope that you'll check out the instructors that I'm sharing. Have a wonderful day or morning or evening or whatever time it is at your time zone.